I just love it. So I just got home and I'm very hungry. I was about to eat something because I've had class for 2 hours with my students. I'm a little bit tired, but it's okay. And guess what I have now here? So this is my birthday present, like belated birthday present. And as I got back home, it arrived. So I'm gonna unbox it so that I can see how beautiful it is. Let me tell you more information. So this present is something that I really wanted to have. So I asked him so that he can buy me this present. We were actually thinking of having a birthday party in April, but I just couldn't wait for it because it's just too far. So these jewelries are from Wing Bling, which is one of my favorite jewelry brand. And the thing is that 5% of this whole revenue from this jewelry, it goes for WWF, which is pretty big world national organization for protecting animals endangered, especially for polar bears and some penguins, you know, or tigers, or cheetahs, you know. The reason why I wanted to buy these jewelries is that they were helping these animals who are endangered just by buying these products so that they can actually help their animals. Now I got these jewelries. I'm very excited to unpackage it. Oh, right. So this is it's necklace. And I also got this earring, and as you see, there's a polar bear featured here. That's so beautiful. And this is what I really was looking forward to. It's a ring. Yeah, I'm gonna show you here. That's weird. So this is my birthday present from my boyfriend. Hey, 눈물. So that was the earrings that I got from Jamie as a birthday present. And I'm gonna show you this necklace as well. Like that. Like that. Yeah, it's so pretty, right? Right, it just says 5% of the whole revenue from these products is gonna be sent to WWF. I think it's World Wildlife Fund, I guess, yeah. And this ring, I really wanted this ring. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Yeah. Thank you so much, Jamie. I love those presents. Oh my goodness. I love it. Where can I put this? Like, middle one or here? Yeah, I think I go with here. No. So I just got these presents, which are very shiny and, you know, beautiful from my boyfriend for my birthday. And I absolutely love it. Like, look at that. It's just so shiny. It just doesn't mean that I have a birthday present, but it also means that I can help animals who are endangered. The point of this ring is actually they are like polar bears are featured, and this ring and these earrings and this necklace. And 5% of this revenue from this product is gonna be sent to WWF, which is called World Wildlife Fund, which is pretty big world organization at the same time for protecting animals. And I thought it's going to be very meaningful to have this kind of present for my birthday. I've always wanted to do something meaningful for animals, and even if I don't have any pet or something, I really love animals, and I really hope every single animal in this world, they're going to be protected in a proper way. Yeah, I got this present and you know, it's just so pretty. I love it. It's also a very meaningful present for myself, for my boyfriend. So yeah, I love this present. So I'm definitely not making this video as a promotion or something. I don't have any relationship with this product company, which is called Wing Bling. I just love this product, and I love this ring and this necklace and these earrings as well. I feel I'm very spoiled, like, at the moment. Yeah, I feel very good because this is exactly what I really wanted. Like, this is just so shiny, and at the same time it means a lot in terms of the fact that I can actually help adult wildlife animals by having this present. It means a lot to me. So if you want to have more information about this ring or necklace, earring, a set, you can go to the website of this jewelry company and get some more information. There are lots of other jewelries as well. So the thing is that it's actually their first edition. So their second edition is about penguin. So they're also super cute. And I'm actually thinking of buying another one, which is featured with penguins. Yeah, so this one is featured with polar bears, as you see. So this video is gonna be a very short one, like 5 minutes or something. I thought I should make a video of this unpacking my present for my boyfriend. Yeah, it has been fun. I just love it. See you guys all in the next video. To be continued. Goodbye.